I'm Neil with 21st Century. We're talking about this 1025R tractor equipped with a factory heated cab. And I'll tell you what, when the snow flies, I'll be really glad to have this cab tractor at my disposal. In the middle of summer where we're shooting this, it's a little bit warm, but that's okay. The cab opens up to give us plenty of ventilation. We've got the cab opened up right now, but look how easy it is to close it. Latch on the left side and on the right side pulls this windshield back down into place. Pull the windshield wiper into place, and we're ready to get moving snow. From inside the unit, the controls are easy to reach. Wiper controls located right here on a rocker switch, as well as the fan control right above it, all accessible from the operator station. As well, temperature control is located right here with a simple dial to set the temperature hotter or cooler. But again, no air conditioning in this unit, but it is a heated cab. One of the neat features on this unit is the ability to block out the sun with this factory installed visor. Pull it down, push the button to raise it back up, helps block the sun or any glare that might come from heavy snow. The door swings wide to give easy access, whether climbing in or climbing out. The 120R loader on this 1025R cab tractor gives us lots of versatility, whether it's pallet forks, bale spear, or a snow blade on the front. In addition, this 120R loader can be removed, and in its place, we can swap on an angle blade for the front that's frame mounted, or a power takeoff powered snow blower to move all the deep snow and drifts around your property. For the smaller property owner that just needs to move snow in the winter, the 1025R with this factory installed cab is a great option. You don't have to have a large tractor in order to have the comfort of a heated cab. Come on into your local 21st Century Equipment location. We want to answer all your questions about our full line of cab tractors, whether it's a 1025R with the factory cab, a 5075E with a full cab, heat and air conditioning, something larger or smaller. We have a full line of cab tractors for you to choose from.